This is A, right? Today we'll learn more few words. Start with A, right? So this is apple, right? Apple start with A. A-E-P-L-E. Apple, right? Now see, this is ant. A-N-T. Ant, right? A-N-T. Ant. Okay? A-N-T, ant. Now this is X. A-X-E. X. Okay? And this is aeroplane, right? A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. See? A-E-R-O. Aero. P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. Okay? This is anchor, right? A-N-C-H-O-R. Anchor, right? And the girl wearing apron. A-P-R-O-N. Apron, right? And this is called abacus. A-B-A-C-U-S. Abacus, isn't it? And next, this is apricot, right? These are apricots. This is one kind of fruit. Okay? These are apricots. Okay? A-P-R-I. Apri. C-O-T. Apricot. Right? Now, this one, ep, right? A-P-E. Ep, right? This is ep. A-P-E. Ep. And then, this is avocoda. A-B-O-C-O-D-A. Avocoda. Now, Gaurav, what we do? We write the words. Yeah. What will you do? Write the words one by one. Look at the board here. Apple. A. P. Okay. P. L. E. One by one, how to write? A. P. P. L. E. Apple. Right? Aeroplane. A. E. R. O. P. L. A. N. E. If you connect the letters, how to write? A. E. R. O. P. L. A. N. E. Aeroplane, like this. Okay? Avocoda. A. B. O. C. O. P. A. Right? How to write? A. B. O. C. O. P. A. Avocoda. Right? Apricot. Apricot. How to write apricot? A. P. Okay. Then R. I. C. O. T. In this way. One by one, how to write? A. P. R. I. Apri. C. O. E. Apricot. Right? Ep. A. P. E. Right? A. P. E. Ep. So simple. A. P. E. Ep. A. P. E. Ep. X. A. X. E. X. A. X. E. X. One by one, how to write? A. X. E. X. Right? So these are the words. Okay. Now let's move to the test. Okay. Here, this is A. 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 A. Right? Here, this one A. This one A. This one A. This one A. Right? Now here, fill in the missing letter. Okay. A. S. L. E. Now Gaurav, raise your hand. Gaurav, tell me, here two letters missing. Can you tell me what will be the letter here? What will be the letter here? Here দুটা letter নাই এনে কমপ্লিট কৰাচোন এই wordটো কি হ'ব
Double P.
yes right P P double P তেতিয়া কি হৈ যাব what will be the letter a word
Apple.
apple good now here A P R S T S T what will be the word here what are the missing letter here
Aeroplane.
no one kind of fruits
Hebogoda.
no try again I tree A P R I tree C O T apricot
Apricot.
yes here A E R S T S A N E sorry what will be the letter here
Aeroplane.
yes aeroplane so what will be the letter A E R here what is the missing letter here A E R O
Oh.
E then what will be the letter here L
Al.
right A E R O aero P L A N
T.
E right
E.
aeroplane okay now here now Gaurav what word is this read the word here read padha
And.
so where is and first one second one or the third one
Third.
yes third one is the and so what is this what is the second word yes a
Ape.
ape right ape ape so which is ape here first second third
Pass.
yes first picture is in the first picture there is a ape an ape right and what about the last word
X.
x right which one x second one right
Second.
yes the second one is the x okay great now here which letter is this
A.
a this one
N.
okay this one
X.
right this one
T.
e this one
P.
e this one
E.
e okay now you have to form word okay use this letter and form words can you form a word anyone
And.
and yes good Nemo a n t and a x e x a e e f a n t a n t a n t and ape a e e f x a x e x right and ape x yeah now here correct the words so here this is wrong in wrong form okay what will be the correct form ভুল হয়ে আছে correct form to কি হবে a l e p p apple okay so tell me the spelling
A. Double P. L. E.
yes good
Apple.
a double p l e so what will be the second one
Side to the নাই
okay a n p o r apron
Apron.
yes a p r on apron what about this
Ebogoda.
not avocado abacus
Rebecca.
abacus okay abacus now let's move to the next one read the word one by one
Apple. X.
yes
Apricot.
avocado
Ebogoda.
okay
And.
yes
and
Yes. And this one, apron.
apron,
Yes. Next, apricot.
apricot,
Yes. Next,
and
ape. A-P-E, ape.
aeroplane,
Aeroplane. Okay, good. Once again. Read once again. Purpha.
apple, X, apricot,
Avocoda.
avocado,
A-B-O, abo. C-O-D-A, coda. Okay, and this is apron. A-P-R-O-N, apron.
apron, apricot,
Yes, apricot. Ape.
and
Okay. A-P-A, ape.
aeroplane,
Aeroplane. Good. Once again. See. A-P-P-E-L, apple. A-X-C-X, abo. A-B-O, abo. C-O-D-A, coda. Avocoda. A-N-T, ant. Apron. A-P, ap. R-O-N, ron. Ap, ron. Apron. A-P-R-I, apri. C-O-T, cot. Apricot. A-P-E, ape. A-E-R-O, aero. P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane, right? And here, say the first word. A for. Tell me any words which start with A. A रे आरंभ हुआ शब्द केटामान कोआ.
aeroplane,
Okay.
apple,
Apple. Okay.
apricot,
Okay.
avocado,
Okay.
and
Okay. Good. Very good. Right. And eggs, ape, apple, abacus, aeroplane. So many words are there. Right. Okay. Great.